Hi, today I am going to show you how to fix fan speed issues in Lenovo based laptops. If you visit support.lenovo.com or search for fan speed issues in Lenovo laptop in Google, you are going to land in this page where these four methods are shown. If any of these methods is not working for you, then you can use the fifth method which I am going to show you now. If you are facing issues regarding fan speed, even though your CPU usage is very low. For example, as you can see here, even though your CPU is very low, less than 50% CPU utilization, but still if your fan in your laptop is running at a very high speed and creating huge noise, then especially in Lenovo laptops, you can check this setting. All you need to do is go to the search bar, type Lenovo Vantage, open Lenovo Vantage inbuilt Windows app installed in your Lenovo laptop. Go to the thermal mode, fan setting. There are three modes: performance mode, balance mode, quiet mode. There are three modes in the thermal mode settings option. You can also use function plus Q shortcut to open this or to toggle the modes. Check that you are in quiet mode. If still you are getting lot of noise due to high speed fan, then definitely you have to go to service center. This issue was fixed in my laptop. Once I did the BIOS update, this setting was automatically changed to performance mode by the system. I thought maybe because of the BIOS update that I have performed, the issue came. If you see my system update history, see, today itself I have updated this BIOS update, latest version. After doing this update, it was observed by me that there was a huge noise generated by high speed fan. So when I came to the settings and selected balance mode or quiet mode, then that fan issue noise is completely solved. So if you are facing such issue, and if you are owning a Lenovo laptop, then definitely this can be a useful setting for you. If you are not having Lenovo laptop, then also I have one more setting for you. All you need to do is you need to type power in the settings menu. You should select edit power plan, go to change advanced options, go to processor power management, go to system cooling policy. So see that state. There are two states, active and passive. Active means it increases the fan speed before slowing the processor, whereas passive means it slows down the processor when temperature is increasing before increasing the fan speed. So if you are facing lot of fan speed issues, you can definitely choose passive, apply OK. Hope these two methods are useful for you. Thank you. Coming to my personal case, after running this BIOS update, latest version, I am observing a huge fan speed noise even if the setting is in performance mode or balance mode. Earlier when the setting was in balance mode, I never observed such a huge fan noise. So when I change the setting to quiet mode, within few minutes the fan noise is completely reduced. Thank you.